What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about multiple income streams. This seems to be one of the hottest topics right now, especially where everybody's working from home and wondering if they can add additional income streams to their life. So what I want to do in this video is I'm not just going to tell you about my multiple income streams, but I'm actually going to take a different angle with it. I'm going to share with you how you can actually do the exact same thing with skills that you already have right now. I want to make this something that's going to be of value to you and something that you can use to your advantage. I don't want to boast about all the income streams I have and how much money I'm making. This is a video for you. This is a video where I'm going to show you that with the tools, the knowledge, and the skill set that you have at this very point in time, you're going to be able to add multiple income streams to your life that are going to help offset certain costs. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is they have one source of income. Looking at my own life, for example, if I was doing what I would have been doing a year and a half ago, where I was just doing real estate, that would have dried up right now and I'd be in a lot of trouble. But because I have multiple income streams, I've been able to offset some of the stress so that right now I'm not being affected by what's going on. And that's a great position to be in emotionally, physically, financially, mentally, spiritually, every sort of angle from life. If I was doing what I did a year and a half ago, where I only had one income stream, which is real estate, I'd be in a lot of trouble right now, and I'm fully capable of admitting that. But now I'm not being affected by this situation too much. So I'm gonna dive into my 6 main income streams. I've got a couple others that I'll briefly touch on, but these are all things that you can do today. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the order that I'm gonna be going in is not as obvious as you might think. I'm not gonna talk about my main business at the very beginning because I want to talk about the ones that are easiest for you to do today. So let's get straight to it. The first one is online courses. This is a really interesting one because you're able to do this with whatever knowledge or skill set that you have. So currently right now, I've got an online course on Facebook lead generation for real estate agents, Instagram for real estate agents, and then I've partnered with my business partner Connor Steinberg for YouTube for real estate agents. So we've got 3 courses. So basically all that we've done is package our knowledge after achieving a certain amount of success using certain strategies, package those into a course. I use Kajabi and we upload the multiple videos and screen recorded tutorials showing people exactly how to do what we've done in order to generate leads within the first 24 hours, scale your personal brand on Instagram in order to be recognized as an agent very quickly and attract business. And then with YouTube, how to rank your videos almost instantly on YouTube and optimize them so that they attract clients and scale and rank locally to help you grow your business using video marketing. So those are 3 things that we specialize in. I have used Facebook lead ads in order to make multiple 6 figures. I have attracted over 6 figures of business from my Instagram, and Connor has been able to dominate in real estate using YouTube. So what we did is we took the knowledge that we have, we packaged them into multiple video courses, hundreds of videos, put them onto a hosting platform. I use Kajabi, Connor uses ClickFunnels, and then we sell those courses to people that watch our YouTube content and want to learn how they can get the same results. They can either spend a couple $100s on our courses, or they can waste endless hours watching YouTube videos that they're going to try and have to learn how to implement themselves, or they'll have to pay somebody thousands of dollars in order to get them to coach and do the same results, or pay a platform to do it for them. So courses are great because it takes our knowledge and it takes your knowledge and allows you to sell that at scale. So me personally, I make over $10,000 a month, basically passively. I don't do any paid advertising on this from people buying these courses. So this is something that you can do as well by simply packaging the knowledge that you have for any industry, any field, any niche, record a ton of content showing others how to do it, and then upload it to a hosting platform like Teachable, Kajabi, ClickFunnels, unlisted videos on YouTube, and then sell that to people that are looking to get the same result or similar results to you by following a proven process. Now, the second one is another thing that you can do so easily if you've achieved certain success in your niche, or if you know how to do certain things that others are looking to do. Knowledge, again, that you already have, which is to create a mastermind. So Connor Steinberg and I have a mastermind called the Social Strategy Mastermind, where we teach on a weekly basis, every single week, 1-hour calls, how to implement strategies, the highest converting strategies on social media in order to scale your real estate business. So what can you do for that? If you've got any sort of group or niche that you specialize in and you've got a certain skill set that others would like to learn, you can have them buy a course, or you can have them sign up to a mastermind where you can build community and you can have Zoom calls, which is free for you to do, and share your knowledge and skill set with other people and create a movement of people that are looking to achieve similar results. So again, for us, we charge $1 for people to get into our mastermind because we are huge advocates of over delivering and showing people the results. We haven't had people leave because people are seeing that with one call from us, they're getting more value than sometimes $500 courses that they bought from other people. But this again is simply packaging the knowledge and the tools that we have or that you have and giving it to people in a group setting. And this is a great way to add an additional income stream because we charge about $47 a month for people to be a part of that. Again, people are saying that every week, which would be about $12 a call, they're actually getting more value than hundreds of dollars worth of courses. So it's well worth their money to be in that mastermind because they can learn from people that have proven the process, done it before, and can show them how to implement it. But it's another great way for people to build community. So again, if you have additional skill sets that you're able to share with people, a mastermind using Zoom calls is a great way to establish credibility with people, build a community and build your tribe, but also give value based on stuff that you already know how to do. Now, the third one is my agency. So I own an agency called High Converting Content where we help 6 to 9 figure entrepreneurs scale their impact, influence, and income using our services in personal branding, content marketing, social media marketing. Those are primarily the bread and butter of our services. I do consulting as well. So we help entrepreneurs with things like content repurposing, taking their raw unedited footage and fully editing it professionally with motion graphics and all kinds of cool stuff, and then repurposing it for every social media platform. We do, of course, social media marketing, so Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads, all that good stuff. And then we also do things like funnels, monetization, helping people launch their own online course, helping people launch podcasts, consulting, all that stuff. So what can you do? This again was me creating an agency based on information that I know. So what you can do instead is, if you want to learn a new skill, maybe you want to learn how to run Facebook ads for e-commerce, you can go learn that skill set, maybe take a course, maybe watch YouTube videos, test it yourself, and then start to take something, a new tool that you've learned in order to apply that to help other people grow. So for me, I was able to build my personal brand in the real estate space a year ago to the point where I was quite well recognized, and a lot of people from other industries, fitness, coaches, people from all walks of life wanted to get similar results to what I was getting. So I launched an agency, now have over 37 people on our team that are helping people get similar results, working with people all the way up to the 9-figure level, which has been amazing. But again, all that it is taking the skill set and the tools and the knowledge that we've proven ourselves in order to apply it to other people. So if you, again, maybe your niche, or maybe you've got interest in helping people leverage something like LinkedIn, okay, go learn everything that you can about LinkedIn marketing and then start to help other entrepreneurs in different niches, showing them how to achieve great results using LinkedIn. So this might not be a skill set that you already have, but this can certainly be something that during your time at home, you're able to learn these tools and strategies so that you can help others get similar results. So I've now built a very successful agency around that, and it's quickly growing and working with some of the most incredible people I never could have imagined. But again, all that was is taking everything that I've been interested in, everything that I've proven myself, and then building out an agency that exceeds people's results by doing these processes. Number 4 is YouTube. So of course, based on the fact that I do have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is the criteria to become a YouTube partner, I get paid for YouTube AdSense. So whenever people run ads on my YouTube videos, I get half of the ad spend that they are spending, which is great. So this is something that you can do as well. So if you start to invest in putting out YouTube content, and if you do want to know how to build your channel quite quickly, drop a comment below. I'm more than happy to share with you some really creative strategies that can allow you to get to the point of monetization quite quickly. But what this allows you to do is get paid for the content that you're putting out. So you're not going to get paid for the average Instagram post. I don't get paid for any of my Instagram posts, but I get paid for every single YouTube video that I put out. So it's a great way to add additional income. I get paid, I think this month is going to be on track for between $1,200 and $1,500, just because of the fact that AdSense right now is down about 40% based on the situation going on. But again, that's over $1,000 coming in every month just from the content that I'm putting out. But one of the most incredible things is if you do number one that I talked about, you create an online course, you're able to link those courses in the description, and you can actually make a lot more money from YouTube than the average person. So that's why I said that I make, give or take just over $10,000 a month from my courses. And that's solely from people watching the YouTube videos that I have specific to that niche, and then people buying the course, showing them how to avoid the learning curve and get to the point where they can get similar results very quickly. So that's something that you can do, again, is make money from YouTube from both AdSense as well as driving traffic to the links in your description for any of the courses in the masterminds, or again, if you have a service-based agency, that you can do as well on YouTube. Now, number 5 is real estate. So I do still have my real estate license. I'm a licensed agent here in Calgary, Alberta with eXp Realty, and I get 3 income streams from eXp Realty. So let's break down these 3 income streams. Number 1 is, of course, commission. So when I help people buy or sell a house or invest in real estate, I get paid a commission on the deals that they do. Now, right now, I'm not overly focused on doing local business here in Calgary. The vast majority of my focus right now, probably 95%, goes solely into growing my agency, because we've got a lot of people coming on a weekly or almost daily basis. And that's my focus, that's my passion, and that's where I want to put my eggs, is in that basket, because I love it. People are loving the results, and I love to help people scale their brand using content marketing and social media marketing. But I do get paid when I do a couple luxury deals here and there, so I get paid from commission. I also get paid on stock awards based on how the company is set up, as well as profit share. Whenever people on my team below me do deals, I also get paid on a cut of the people that are on my team. One of the best things is the fact that I built my brand and the resources that I can offer to other people, to the point where a lot of people want to be on my team, because they see that now with my agency, I can offer them branding and marketing and masterminds and content and unique deliverables that other people just simply can't. So that's why a lot of people are enjoying working with me, joining my team, and it's really exciting to see how this can grow without borders. So that's number 5. And number 6 is public speaking, but maybe we'll break this down into something that's a little easier, which is essentially collaborations, as I would like to say. People want to collaborate with me to have them speak at their event or in front of their audience, or whatever the situation might be. This is something you can do as well. So if you've got a certain skill set, I speak a lot on stage, not just for real estate, but for social media in general, about startups and entrepreneurs, local business, small to medium business, how to use social media and marketing, modern marketing, innovative strategies in order to scale your business, get more clients, get more sales, all kinds of that good stuff. So that's the niche that I'm in, is in the social space. And a lot of people like when I come speak to their audience about how their audience can leverage those strategies as well. So again, if you've got a particular niche, you're able to reach out to people that might be having an event. Right now, there's a lot of virtual events going on, so you can get paid to be a featured speaker at a virtual event based on some of the unique information that you can provide to that audience. So it's a great way to build your brand, to get recognition, to get some great content out of it for you to share, showing that this is sort of the niche. And again, that's going to drive a lot of traffic to your YouTube channel, your Instagram profile, as well as some of the other things we talked about. Get more people to sign up to your mastermind, get more people to buy your online courses, as well as use your services if you do have some sort of service that you can offer to these people. So those are primarily my income streams. And again, I wanted to share with you not just how I make money, but how you can take the knowledge that you already have right now in order to create additional income streams during the time where you're at home looking for ways to scale your business, or maybe offset how you're making your income in order to make your life a bit more sustainable and less susceptible to unforeseen situations like we're currently dealing with right now. So if you do have any questions about some of the income streams that I mentioned, or if you just want to have a chat about how you can add additional ones, or have us help you create a YouTube channel that is profitable, or create an online course, or create a mastermind, simply again, drop a comment below. I'm more than happy to have a free strategy call with you and chat with you about how you can do this, because it's a very great way to set up your life where you can have income coming in from different directions. And the great thing is as you can see, this is all stuff in a similar space that's based on the knowledge that I already have to date. And I always continue to learn. I always continue to hone in my skills, learn new things. But if you have any sort of skill set right now, you're able to make multiple income streams. So again, guys, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment below, and we will see you next time.